that is. But look how sick it is. It's so cool. Like, hey guys, what's up? Just gonna be doing some fishing here at the beach to see if we catch anything. Who knows if I will, because the fish don't like me very much, but hey, we'll see what happens. Alright. See how this goes. Alright, you ready? Yep. Yeah, let's go back over this way a little. Alright, I reckon here. Don't hit the bikes. Did I just say please don't hook me? Oh no! I hit yours! Oh no! Well, I caught a Liam. It cut right through my finger. The line. Yeah. No, that's all good. Oh, I think I got it. There we go. Okay, we got it. Hey, you got it. See if we catch anything. Oh, I'm already getting bites. Yeah, I'm getting bites. What is it? Did you get something? It's still got the bait on too. Oh. What the heck? Unless it might have been the waves. Oh. Oh, you got one? I've got something giving me the nibs. Somebody likes me. Did you get seaweed? Oh, what the heck? Bro, I can't tell if I'm getting bites or I'm just hitting the ocean. Yeah, mine keeps bending too and tugging. Oh, what is that? I've got seaweed on my line. It's clearly... Oh, we might be getting caught in seaweed. Might be a heap down there. Yeah. Wait, what? I know.
Just like wait for it. It takes like 30 seconds.
Yeah. No, when you're gaming, you see a little bit of bubbles coming towards the rod. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, we might. He's thinking about it. Yeah. Oh, he's definitely thinking about it. No, I reckon he might have... Oh no, my bait's still kind of want it. I might swap it out though. Yeah. I'm gonna go for a juicy squid. You reckon? You getting the nibbles? They reel it in? Nah. Oh. Are your baits still on though?
Yeah, it's still there. Like, no one want mine or something. He's one stink or something.
You got the stinky squid that no fish want.
Got the dirty, like, brain part.
Oh.
It's just nice to sit here.
Yeah, it's fun just to sit and do it. Yeah. I don't know why we didn't sit here sooner. There's a whole stair thing to sit on. Yeah, it's probably for it. Nothing. Thought I may have had something. Yeah, I might just move a little bit so I don't hit you. Yeah, I don't know if the waves are gonna like scare him off, but we've definitely been getting bites. Yeah, I just saw the bark. Oh, there's all fish there. Oh, right there. I don't know. Quick, jump in, grab it. Look at him. Hopefully the camera sees it. You still got your bait? Oh, it's still there. It's still there.
Excuse me, fish. Sorry, why don't you want my bait?
I don't like you. You know, I'm gonna go for a really big cast. I want to go for a really big one. Yeah. I'm gonna step a little bit back though. We're just gonna wait for these people to pass. There's a nice pier over there. There's a lot of people over there. A bit too crowded for my liking. Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, let's see if we get something. You got this. I've done that before. Woo! Nice. Oh. This is the life. Probably. Yeah, I can say you can see it on the end. Wait, what? I didn't even know you could. Didn't even know you could jump off. Yeah, 100%. Oh, what's it? Oh, I got caught on it. got caught. Crap, where is it? Oh, my line's gone everywhere. What's it doing? There we go. Oh, really? Yeah. That was pretty good. Hey, you got seaweed. There's clearly a lot of seaweed in there. You can't grab it. Oh, I'm getting some tugs. Nah, nothing. My bait's still on there, so I guess that's something. Alright, well, that was a good little fishing session there. May not have caught anything. There was a few big crabs going around now. That was pretty cool. Hey, I was just out here fishing with Liam. That was pretty good. Just out here at Bribey Island. It was a nice trip up. Nice little just day trip for Sunday. Just looking to get out of the house mostly. Even though I know most of the time I'm not going to catch anything while fishing. I'm just looking to get out of the house, you know. Went for a little swim after. Did some jumping off the jetty here. That was pretty fun. I did a little on my Bush Life Travels channel. If you haven't subscribed, check it out. Did a little day trip series here and checked out this pier then as well. It's pretty fun. There's a pretty rough current underneath when you jump off, but it was fun, so yeah, enjoyed that. When we jumped off there, the tide was higher up at that point. And yeah, the current just takes you out. There's like a fire over there earlier, but it seems like it's gone now. Anyways, might check out some World War II ruins because there's a few on the island, and yeah, might call this video a day then. Figured it'd be a cool way to end things off, so you know, just do that and yeah, it'll be good. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the little fishing segment of the video. I do want to get out and do some more fishing, and I'm going to try to do it a bit more before the year ends, if I can find the time. So I've just been real busy is all, and yeah, but we'll see what we can do. And yeah, let's go see if we can see some cool World War II ruins. There's a cool Christmas tree. I like that. That's a pretty cool tree right there. I love all the festive decorations. Very nice. Mr. Roo! Hello, Mr. Roo. Why can't I zoom in? There we go. Hello. Yeah, thick boy. Does he want to fight? Does he want to fight?
No, because he's trolling me.
He wants to fight.
That is his ball.
What?
Come back, my friends.
No, Mr.
I thought it had a
Roo.
joey, but it was just his
I
ball.
thought it was like a head, but it was just nuts.
Wait, what?
I thought it had a joey. I thought it was a
Oh,
female,
you-
but then I realised it was just
Oh, were you admiring his nuts?
I didn't realise it was
Oh, I didn't know you thought that way about them.
just testicle.
That's not safe.
Wait, what is? Oh, is it a power line? Oh, it is. It's a power line down. Wait,
What are the odds you'll touch the bell?
I ain't touching that thing. I ain't dying today.
There's no way it's still on.
No, they would have.
No, they'd have to have turned it. There's a bunch of tape around it, so they're aware. All right, here we are. This is around. Oh, somebody's graffitied it all. That's so annoying. That wasn't like that before when I was last here. Or there was graffiti, but it wasn't all there and whatever that is. But look how sick it is. It's so cool. Like, this is so cool though. Just seeing it, and oh, the beach here is magnificent. It's beautiful. Try and take a look. Do you think Will's in there? Look, people have gotten in there though. You can see graffiti. You can see graffiti. People have got in.
Really?
Yeah, you can see it in there. Look through. Maybe it's Will. Do you think Will's in there? Oh yeah, no, I know that. I just mean at some point. Maybe it's Will.
Oh, well.
Oh, maybe they slid up through here.
Maybe you took something from
You see the cruise ship?
I so want to go on a cruise. That'd be so fun. And look how cool it is. Like,
It's a big carrier ship too.
wait, big carriage? Oh, that's sick. I've always wanted to see one, like, I guess, kind of close. Yeah, I saw it down there. I was looking at that one, but that one? No, I love that stuff. Oh, it's sick. Just coming around this end for anyone who wants to see this end here. There's a bunch of sticks piled up there. Kind of just see around there. You just walk around, you know. It's all completely emptied out. There's nothing actually in it, but that's really cool. And come over here to this sign because it's got the history of the place. But it's all graffitied over. But if you go to my Bush Life Travel series, I did document this before this was on it, so you can probably read it there. And anyways, I'm gonna leave this episode off here of, I guess, fishing, just a fishing video. Cool little World War II ruin at the end here. It was pretty cool. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. It's good fun. Got to see some cool ships out there as well. Anyways, do subscribe if you enjoyed, and check out Bush Life Travels, and I'll see you guys in the next one. As I said, I want to try to get some more fishing in before this year is over.